Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, hi, my name is Liz. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. As you can see by the title, I say that all the time, but we are doing a TikTok shop video. We're doing the best selling TikTok shop brands. We are going to go through all the best selling brands on TikTok, and I'm so excited because there's a lot of small businesses and I am absolutely obsessed. I just cannot stop shopping on TikTok shop. I'm putting it out there. I love it, and the deals on there sometimes. Click on the link down in the description box to head over to TikTok and make sure to follow me over there. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you aren't already. If you want to see more videos like this from me about TikTok or beauty in general, then make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below what you want to see from me, because that helps me out a lot. I love doing request videos from you guys. You all know I try and keep up with your requests. I've done a few of them without rambling too much, because we all know I like a ramble. Let's get straight into the video. Are they any good? Okay, so we have a very exciting video today. This video wasn't actually on my list to do, but I thought it would be fun because I've bought a lot of new makeup off TikTok shop, and yeah, I thought it would be good to show you guys the most top selling brands on TikTok. So the first thing I'm going to go in with is, of course, primer. And yes, I am going to go in with the Beauty Crop X Grace's Faces Moisturising and Priming Base. This looks so good and it sounds amazing. It's got camellia oil plus squalene plus tamic acid, and it's meant to be a multitasking moisturising primer for smooth makeup application. Rich in feel but not greasy, the formula instantly hydrates, brightens and softens the skin. So we're going to try this today. I am filming a TikTok as well, so this is going to be fun. Okay, I have quite a lot here. I've just tried to do a thumbnail. Okay, so it just comes out at the top there. I absolutely love that idea. Quite a lot comes out. So my skin type is very much combination. I have dryness on my forehead, I have oiliness around my nose and my chin, and then on the rest of my face is quite normal. So we'll see how this works with my skin type. I absolutely love how thick and moisturising this feels. I love that it's a 2-in-1 moisturiser and primer. So now I'm going to go in with the Made by Mitchell colour case in the correct tones. So this has got all like the peachy tones for like under the eyes, and I did take this on a live the other day, but I'm just going to go in with my finger and I'm just going to put this under my eyes to correct any darkness. It is a little bit thicker than I'm used to, but I do like it. I think the warmth of my finger really helps to blend it with my skin. Okay, so then next is something that I've been wanting to try for so long, and I think I'm the last person to try this. It's the Glow Hub Baby Beam Dew Filter Glow Base. This looks so nice. So it just looks like this. Very interesting packaging, very bright. I did get the shade Golden Beam. I got it mainly for my tan shade, but obviously I am not tanned at the moment, but we're going to make it work. This is going to go under foundation anyway, so it's not like a massive deal. Do I blend this out with my fingers or a sponge or a brush? Okay, it's thicker than I thought. The shade looks really good for when I'm tanned. I'm just going to have to blend it down my neck a little bit for now. That is absolutely stunning. Look how glowy and dewy my skin looks. I feel like I say dewy quite weirdly. Okay, so foundation, of course I couldn't do a TikTok shop video without using the HMB Luminous Soft Focus Airbrush Foundation. This stuff is so good. If you haven't tried it, I would suggest trying it. It's such a nice full coverage but lightweight foundation with maximum coverage. I'm actually going to go in with a sponge today just to blend that out. I'm using the shade 6W. This gives such a nice finish, and with that primer and Glow Hub Baby Beam on, it's going to make it ultra dewy and fresh. I've been liking a sponge again for my foundation. I don't know what made me switch, but I just find it a little bit easier to blend sometimes with a sponge, and it's just quicker. And then to match that, we've got the HMB concealer. This is just such a go-to. It's so smoothing, so full coverage. I absolutely love it. I'm going to take the shade 1W. So for concealer, I really love the Doll Beauty mini solid brush to blend out. I'm just going to take a lighter shade for in the inner corner. This is the shade 0. So this is going to be ultra brightening. So I'm just going to literally put a little dot there, under there. And that is going to help brighten, and that's just going to help brighten that area up. And then next, of course, I'm going to go in with the Curve Case by Made by Mitchell. This is the light one because, like I said, I'm not very tanned at the moment. I'm just going to use this. I'm going to use the shade Cream Carve, which is this one. It's a nice warm tone. See how easy these are to blend? Okay, so I'm going in now with the thing that I am most excited for. The new Made by Mitchell Curve Case Collective XL, and these are just specifically for blushers. Look how beautiful that palette is. I really want to go in with this shimmery one, but I feel like everyone's doing that. I of course have got to go in with my beloved Posy Rosy at the top here, obviously. I don't want to ruin it. Let's go in. I know the formula is going to be good because it's the same as the Curve Cases. Look at that shade. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so pleased he's brought Posy Rosy into this kit. This is going to be absolutely perfect for my makeup kit. One of the good things about Made by Mitchell is that he is a makeup artist, so he knows what it's like to be a makeup artist and how it's good to have everything in one compact palette. And it's not thick, it's like quite compact and small. I'm excited about this one. Okay, so I'm just going to blend out that concealer now because it's been cooking for a while now. Of course, the Jordana T-shirt powder is just a cult favourite. This is the Half Baked shade, and I'm going to go in with this all over my face, literally everywhere. And gotta say it, the Trigwell powder puffs, these are very trending on TikTok, and I obviously gotta go in with that, making sure the creases are out. And then so I'm just popping that everywhere, all over my face. So then a powder that I haven't taken before, the Made by Mitchell Eye Lights. These are quite new, and I bought the shade Daylight, which is I think the second lightest shade. Guys, are you ready for this? Again, such a good palette for if you are a makeup artist. You've got 4 shades of powder in there. How insane. Okay, which shade do I go in with? I want a bright shade. I think I'm going to go in with Ascend, this one. I'm going to tap off the excess. Okay, are we ready? She's brightening. Holy shit. Oh my god, I am in love. It is quite yellow toned, but gets rid of my dark circles, which I appreciate. Now that is what I call brightening. I'm absolutely obsessed with that. Look how much that's just brightened my under eyes. By Mitchell, you are on to a winner there. So next, of course, I'm going to go in with the new Made by Mitchell Bronze Pods. I've got the shade Corn Syrup. I'm hoping this is going to be okay. I did use this the other day and really loved it. Look at the packaging, guys. It is absolutely stunning, and that is what she looks like. It's got a slight shimmer in there, which I actually appreciate. I quite like that. What I learnt with using this is that you don't need a lot of it. You need a little bit at a time and build on it. But what I love is it's got that slight bit of shimmer in there, so it adds a nice sheen, especially with summer coming around. My skin, guys, is looking so smooth. But next I'm going to take the Pretty Fly blush from Doll Beauty. It's such a nice vibrant pink. The blush is in the shade Let's Get Wavy, by the way. And it's such a nice pink tone. It's so beautiful. It goes really nicely with Posy Rosy from Made by Mitchell, just saying. Next I'm going to set my face with the Wishery Setting Mist. Mine's leaking somewhere. I don't know how or why. So now I'm going to go in with eyelashes. These are the eyelashes from Made by Mitchell. Junk in Your Trunk. I bought a few shapes from Made by Mitchell the other day and they all just look stunning. But I'm going to take these ones because they're a little bit more wispy and a little bit more natural. Just going to put them on and I'll be back. Okay, I absolutely am obsessed with those. I absolutely love them. They are so cute and so soft for like an eye look like I've done today. But next I'm going to go in with the Doll Beauty lip pencil. Of course, I need to sharpen it. Much better. I'm going to take the shade Boy Bye because it's a nice like pinky nude. And then I got a massive parcel from P. Louise the other day and I got 9 more flavours of the Bad Bitch Energy juice boxes. I've got so many flavours. I'm thinking about doing like a series on my TikTok showing you different ones that I got. So I got the grape, the toasted marshmallow, the blueberry, coconut, milk chocolate. Okay, so I think I'm going to do the milk chocolate one, which is called Indulge Me. Oh my god, guys. These are beautiful. And I showed it in my TikTok, but I'm going to have to show you guys. Look how stunning this milk chocolate shade is. Obviously, they only give a slight tint, but look how gorgeous that brown tone is. And it goes perfectly with this lip. I just literally want to eat my lips. So that is everything in this video. That is all the products that I'm going to use for... Oh, I forgot a product. Before I go, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible 3 Second Setting Mist. 36 hour no transfer. I've seen a lot of mixed opinions on this, so we're going to try it today. I'm probably not going to do a testing thing, but... Ooh, she's powerful. It smells like hairspray. It smells strong. God, that is hairspray. Wow, the spray is gorgeous and it hasn't left my skin dewy or patchy. That is questionable. The smell is wow. My face feels stiff. It's sort of mattified my makeup, but I love that it literally dries down instantly. That could be hairspray that I'm putting on my face right now. But anyway, that is it for this video, guys. If you want to see more TikTok related videos from me, then make sure to give this video a big thumbs up so that lets me know you enjoyed it. And please consider subscribing to my channel if you do want to see more videos like this from me, because I am more than happy to film TikTok related videos for you guys. Just let me know down in the comments down below what you want to see from me. I hope you all have a lovely day or evening wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!